So you're doing 2-minute EWO, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So if you got in right here, which is this probably, right?
Even earlier.
Oh, good
I did it
job.
when it broke that bottom. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Yep. I got you. We're right here.
Yep. I waited for confirmation.
Oh my
Yep.
gosh. And you got out of this? Okay. All right. Watch. So it does this. Right here is 50%. See it?
Yeah.
Can you tell me why? Only you?
Oh,
Why?
because the EWO is starting to change shape and pull back. The
Oh,
bars are getting smaller.
right here. Do you see
And it's
how?
starting to flatten out. And I have a green candle that's bigger. The second green candle is bigger than so it's like not, it may not continue its downtrend is what it's showing character.
How about we skip all that over trading jargon and how about we just look at the candles? It's the first breathe back that happened. See it?
Yeah.
So instead of worrying about all this and that and coaches technical and all that, how about it was its first breathe back? It went down, 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 breaks 50%. Then it's going to go up and it'll come back down, 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 breathe back 20%, down, 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 breathe back 20%. Makes sense? Because she bought in here. So does this look scary?
No.
Not at
No,
all.
because that red candle after the green one doesn't go higher than the green one, so I'm not concerned.
That's correct. And you might get, down, 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 one little green, down, down. This, though, doesn't this look like a reversal instead of this, which is consolidating sideways? The only reason I'm concerned about this candle is because of this candle. I don't give a shit about this candle. I don't give a shit about this one, and I don't care about this one. These are flat, flat, up. See the difference?
Okay, so you're not concerned about the first one.
I don't care at all about a green candle. A green candle means nothing to me. But a second green candle spells reversal, support. Yes? Everybody in this room, yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, yes.
So in other words,
Yes,
in
coach.
other words,
Yes, coach.
Yes, coach.
just to make sure I understand this, in other words, if you have two and there's a change in direction, that's the only one you should be concerned.
That's correct. Because if you look at this, is this a change of direction?
Nope.
No.
Is this a
It's
change in direction?
No.
Is this a change in direction?
Yes,
Yes.
it is.
So wouldn't I want to go ahead and take some money?
Yes.
Now do you understand? Stop worrying about crossovers and all this other shit. You need to take your money when it shows support. Look at SPY. This is collection. See it? Look at AMD. This is collection. See it?
All right. So one more thing, coach. So let's go back to AMD right there on top, right? So it's changing direction. At that point, you say take your profit, but we're not so sure what direction is going to be next, right?
That's correct.
Perfect. So now let's say I take 50% out.
That's
and I have
correct.
50% left.
Yep.
Right. So there's also a chance it could go back up or it could change the direction. So
that's correct. But you have guaranteed you've made 50% on the trade,
okay,
right?
Okay.
Because look, she bought in. Yeah. She bought in right here. See this? This was the buy-in. Can everybody see my screen so we're all on the same page?
Yes, sir.
This is where she bought. So it comes in, it consolidates, no fear. It comes in, it consolidates, no fear. It comes in and it bounces. I'm out 50%. It comes up, I'm still in. Remember, I bought it up here. I've already collected 50%. I've made my money all the way to here. So hold on. This is 50% profit. Still in the trade. We all on the same page so far.
Perfect.
Good. Now, if this comes up to VWAP, I can take out another 20%. If it breaks and hold, I'm all the way out. If it breaks back down, I still have 30% of the trade inside of this that will still allow me to make money. Hell, I could even add in if I wanted, as long as it stayed below VWAP and kept doing what I needed it to do. But what we're doing by getting rid of spots here, critical area here. Now, if VWAP was way up here, I would get rid of it earlier.
So
right.
Literally what you're saying, if it goes back up, at least you have made a profit and then you only lose on that 20 or 30% left.
Now you're cooking with gas.